Hello everyone, in this video we'll be solving a puzzle from CAT 19 slot 1. So the question is, Princess, Queen, Rani and Samragini were the 4 finalists in a dance competition. Ashman, Badal, Gagan and Dew were the 4 music composers who individually assigned items to the dancers. So they are giving music to these 4 finalists, okay? Each dancer had to individually perform in 2 dance items assigned by different composers. The first items performed by the 4 dancers were all assigned by different music composers. So these 4 dancers, they will first perform their first item, okay, and all of them, they will have music from different composers. Then no dancer performed her second item before the performance of the first item by any other dancers. So that means, first of all, these 4 dancers, they will perform their first item. When they finish their first item, then their second performances will start. After that, the dancers perform their second items in the same sequence of their performance of their first items. So the sequence of performance of first items and their second items, they will be same. The following additional facts are known. So we have been given some clues over here. First one is, no composer who assigned item to princess assigned any item to queen. No composer who assigned item to Rani assigned any item to Samragini. So this is regarding their music and the dance, okay, their sequence in which they are performing. If we come to the question, first one is, which of the following is true? Options are, second performance was composed by Dew, third was composed by Dew. Second question is, which is false, Samragini did not perform in any item composed by Ashman. So that means we need to assign every dancer its music, okay. We need to find out the order in which they perform, because if you look at the fourth question, we have which pair of performance were composed by the same composer. So first, 7, third, 7. So we are talking about performances. So we need to determine their order as well. So what we'll do is, we'll go to the next slide, we'll read all the clues, we'll try to form an arrangement in which 4 dancers will be performing their first performance and then they will be performing their second performance. Then we'll assign them their a particular music, okay, using these clues. So the question is, Princess, Queen, Rani, Samragini were the 4 finalists in a dance competition. Ashman, Badal, Gagan and Dew were the 4 music composers who individually assigned items to the dancers. So we have 4 dancers, 4 composers. These 4 composers, they are individually giving music to every dancer. Each dancer had to individually perform in 2 dance items assigned by different composers. So that means one dancer will be dancing twice, okay, and in both his performances, both his or her performances, the items must be given by different composers. The first items performed by the 4 dancers were all assigned by different music composers. So all the first items of these 4 dancers, they will be provided by different music composers. No dancer performed her second item before the performance of the first item by any other dancers. So that means we know that every dancer has to perform twice, but a dancer can perform for the second time only after every dancer has completed his or her first performance, okay. After that, the dancers perform their second items in the same sequence of their performance of their first items. So the sequence of first performances and second performances, it will be the same. The following additional facts are known. So we have been given some clues, okay. So the first clue is, no composer who assigned item to princess assigned any item to queen. So I know that every dancer has to dance twice, okay. So princess will be dancing twice. She will be given 2 musics, 2 different music. Those cannot be assigned to queen, okay. But we do not know the music that will be assigned to princess, okay. So this clue is of no use right now. Second clue is, no composer who assigned item to Rani assigned any item to Samragini. So this is exactly similar to the first one, even this is of no use at the moment. Third one is, the first performance was by princess. This item was assigned by Badal. So this is a direct clue. First of all, I will have 4 performances, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. And they will be the first performances of the 4 these dancers. After that, these 4 dancers, they will be having their second performances. Let me number them as 5, 6, 7, 8, okay. So I will draw a line over here. That means to the left they have their first performances and to the right they have their second performances. Now, since we have to assign a particular music to every dancer, so let me give it a shape like this. So I'll be writing down the name of dancers over here, okay. Dancers will be written over here and composers, they'll be written over here, the names. So this is a direct clue, because in all the sets of arrangement we always look for a direct clue. Third one is a direct clue. That means first performance was by princess. So I'll write the name of dancer princess over here and was assigned by Badal. So composer was Badal. Next clue is, the last performance was by Rani. This item was assigned by Gagan. So last performance is 8th. So it is performed by Rani and the music was given by Gagan. Okay. The next clue is the items assigned by Ashman were performed consecutively. So we were clearly told that in the first slot, that means in the first 4 performances, all these musics they were given by different composers. Then these 4 music in the second slot, their second performances, they were given by different composers. So it is not possible to assign these 2 places to Ashman, not these 2 places, not these 2 places. Even these 2 places cannot be given to Ashman, not these 2, not these 2 places. Okay, so only positions that can be given to Ashman, they'll be 4 and 5, because these are different slots. Okay, they fall into different slots, but it is consecutive. The performances are consecutive. So Ashman will be written over here. It will come at 4 and 5th position. After that, the number of performances between items assigned by each of the remaining composers was the same. So remaining composers except Ashman. Okay, so who all are remaining? We have Badal, we have Gagan, and we have Dew. So what does that mean? Except Ashman, all the composers, they will have equal number of performances between their names. Okay, like Badal is composing here, so Badal will be composing in one of the places from 6, 7, 8. Okay, so number of performances between the name of Badal should be equal to the number of performances between the name of Gagan. It should be equal to the number of performances between the name of Dew. So that is how we have to assign them places. Now we were given another very important clue, which was the dancers performed their second items in same sequence of their first performance. So in the first slot, Princess is the first performer. Okay, so in the second slot or second performance also, Princess will be the first. Rani is the last, so in first slot Rani will be the last. Now we have a partially filled arrangement. So the only people remaining now in the first performance, they are Gagan and Dew. Okay, so for that this clue will help us, the 5th one. So Gagan and Dew, they will be put at these 2 places. Okay, so if I put, for example, if I put Gagan over here, so between the name of Gagan, how many performances do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that means between the name of Badal also we should have 5 performances. So where should we put Badal? Badal is over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Badal should be put over here. Similarly, the person remaining here is Dew now, so I will write Dew over here and Dew over here. Between the name of Dew also I should have 5 performances, but I have only 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so this arrangement is wrong. That means we assume the wrong place for Gagan. So instead of putting Gagan over here, Gagan will now come over here. I hope you all are able to understand this clue, the 5th one. It is very important. Okay, what I am doing is just counting the number of performances between their names. Okay, so now I'll assign this place to Gagan. So between the name of Gagan, I have how many performances? 1, 2, 3, 4. It means that between name of Badal also I should have 4 performances. So if one place for Badal is over here, then after 4 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, I should put Badal over here. Okay, in that case, the only person remaining is Dew. It will come over here. So between name of Dew also I should have 4 performances. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That means Dew will come over here. So except Ashman, we have equal number of performances between the items assigned by each of the composers. Okay, so this is a correct arrangement, but still we have to assign the name of dancers. So for that, these 2 clues will help us. Okay, we were given that no composer who assigned item to Princess assigned any item to Queen. Okay, so to Princess, one item was assigned by Badal and another item was assigned by Ashman. Okay, so I've written it over here. Now if I come to the second performances, then I can see here that we have only composers left who are Badal and Dew. Okay, Badal cannot be assigned to Queen, so Queen will be placed over here. Now Queen is the third performer in slot 2. Okay, so she will be the third performer in slot 1 as well. So I'll put Queen over here. Now the only person remaining is Samragini. Okay, so Samragini will be written at these 2 places. Okay, so this is the correct arrangement. We can answer the questions now. So the first question is, which of the following is true? The second performance was composed by Dew. So So this is correct. Second is composed by Dew. Option A will be the correct answer. We do not need to check others. Second question is, which of the following is false? First one, Samragini did not perform in any item composed by Ashman. So Samragini is once performing in item by Dew, once by Badal. This is a true statement. We are looking for a false statement. Second is, Princess did not perform in any item composed by Dew. Princess once performed in Badal, once by Ashman. Okay. So she did not perform in any composition by Dew. So this is also true. Then the next option is, Rani did not perform in any item composed by Badal. So Rani once performed in composition by Ash, once by Gagan. So even this is true. So last one will be false. This will be the correct answer, which is Queen did not perform in any item composed by Gagan, but Queen here performed in one item by Gagan. Okay, so this is wrong. Then the third question is, the sixth performance was composed by. Sixth is composed by Badal. Option A will be the correct answer. Next one is, which pair of performances were composed by same composer? So first and seventh. So first, seventh, Badal, Dew. This is wrong. Third, seventh, Gagan and Dew. This is wrong. Second and sixth, Dew and Badal. This is wrong. First and sixth. So Badal and Badal. This is correct. So that is how we have to solve this set. This was an easy set. Okay. I told you all that generally CAT doesn't ask questions on arrangement, but you can definitely expect a question in this form. I hope the explanation was clear. If you still have a doubt, please comment. Thank you.